Hi guys! I'm Bona and welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today is another baking session and we will make soft and fluffy mamon. Mamon is a Filipino mini chiffon cake that is a popular afternoon snack in the Philippines. Are you ready to make it? Let's get baking! We will need 4 egg yolks, 4 egg whites, a total of 1 cup of white granulated sugar, 1 1/8 cup of cake flour, 1/3 cup of fresh milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. To start, we are going to grease our mamon tin. If you don't have these tins, you can also use your cupcake pans. I've got this one from my friend Michelle. She brought me this from the Philippines. Thank you, by the way. So, generously grease your pans with butter. In a bowl, add the egg yolks, milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Mix them together until well combined. Now, sift together the cake flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Then whisk them together until they are well combined and smooth. In a bowl, add the egg whites. Beat it using a hand mixer or a stand mixer using medium setting until frothy. Add the cream of tartar, and continue beating until soft peaks are achieved. Just like this. Gradually add the sugar and continue beating until stiff peaks are achieved. Add a bit of the meringue into the cake mixture to loosen it up. Gently fold them together until just combined. Then, we're going to gradually add the remaining meringue into the mixture, maybe into 2 parts or 3 parts. Gently fold the meringue into the cake mixture until they are combined. And then add another parts of the meringue. And continue folding it into the mixture. By the way, we're doing this so that we're not gonna deflate the air from the meringue. And don't forget to preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Now, we're going to fill the cake mixture into the prepared Mamon tins, about 3/4 full. After filling the tins, I have arranged them into the baking tray. Now, we're going to top each of the tins to pop the air bubbles. Don't forget to leave some space between the mamons to prevent them from sticking to each other as they bake. Bake them for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the top is golden brown and when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. After baking, let this cool for a few minutes before removing them from the tins. Now we're going to brush the top with soft butter. Or you can also use melted butter. Now we're going to sprinkle some sugar over the top. And here's our finished product! This mamon is light, airy, and fluffy, and perfect for tea time. If you like, you can also top them with grated cheddar cheese. Let's take a look what it looks like inside. Look at that! So soft and airy. I hope you're going to try this recipe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye! And also, quick shout out to my friends in Surigao, to Annalie, Kathy, Jackie, Joanne, Ronel, Rachel, Daphne, and to Jacqueline in London. Stay safe. And to the rest of the dings, stay safe guys, stay home. Bye!